Hello, young learners. Welcome back to our fun podcast. I've got a taste of questions for you today. Can you tell the difference between healthy or junk food? We're going to find out together. And guess what? At the end of the episode, there is fun food challenge game where you get to be the food expert. So make sure you listen all the way through. Alright, let's start. Part 1. What is healthy food? Healthy food is the kind of food that helps your body grow big and strong. It gives you energy, helps you play, run, jump, and even helps your brain think clearly. Healthy food is full of good things called nutrients. Some healthy foods you might already eat every day. So, the carrots, good for your eyes. Apples, sweet and crunchy. Broccoli, like little green trees. Whole grain bread gives you energy. Fish or chicken helps build muscles. Eggs and beans full of protein. Let's try something. Can you think of your favorite fruit or vegetable? Say it out loud. Mine is banana. Now, fun fact, did you know that spinach is so good for your muscles that a cartoon character named Popeye used to eat it to get super strong? Yeah, and blueberries are called a superfood because they're full of things that protect your body like a tiny superheroes. Yeah, now part 2 is a junk food. Junk food is food that tastes really yummy, but it doesn't have many nutrients. It might be salty, super sweet, or extra greasy. And too much junk food isn't great for your body. Some examples of junk food are donuts, sweet and sugary. French fries, salty and fried. Cupcake, fun but full of sugar. Candy, yummy but no good nutrients. Sodas, lots of sugar. Eating a little junk food sometimes is okay, but eating every day can make us feel sleepy, grumpy, or even get sick. Fun fact, did you know a single can of soda can have up to 10 teaspoons of sugar? Yeah, that's like eating a whole candy bar in one drink. And some candies are made with colors and ingredients that don't even come from real food. Part 3. So why do we need healthy food? Because your body is always working, even when you're sleeping or just watching cartoons. Healthy food gives your body energy, helps you grow taller, makes your brain smarter, keeps your teeth and bones strong, helps you fight off germs. That's why your grown-ups say things like finish your veggies or eat a healthy breakfast. It's not just because they like broccoli. Tough some of them do. It's because they care about you and want you to grow up strong and happy. Alright, snack champs. It's time for the healthy or junk challenge game. I'll name a food and you say if it is healthy or junk. Ready? Let's go. Apple. Yeah, healthy. That is a fruit full of vitamins. Second one, French fries. Yeah, it is a junk food. Tasty but fried and salty. Third one, broccoli. Healthy, full of fiber and good for your tummy. What about fourth one? Candy bar. Yeah, junk food. Too much sugar and not many nutrients. What about fifth one? Plain, not super sugary. Yogurt. Healthy. Yeah, it helps your bones with calcium. You did amazing job. You're a real food detective now. Great job, friends. Today you learned what healthy food is, what junk food is, why your body needs healthy food to grow and stay strong. Next time you're eating lunch or dinner, maybe you'll stop and wonder, is this food helping my body grow? or not. Until next time, keep learning, keep laughing, and remember, healthy food helps you shine. Bye bye, young learners. See you next time.